Hi guys, good morning. Today we will discuss the use of it and this in English grammar. Whether we can use it and where we can use this in English grammar. So before going to introduce the basic pattern or basic rule of it and this in English grammar, we want to disclose some of its common facts which are similar in both of them. So guys, here we want to focus on those facts which are similar in case of it and in case of this. So if we talk about this or if we talk about it, in both the cases, first of all, both are pronouns in English grammar. So and the basic difference between it and this is that it can work at the place of this, but this cannot work at the place of it. I repeat, it can work at the place of this, but this cannot work at the place of it. In simple terms, we can say that it may work as a possessive pronoun in a sentence, and it can work as a demonstrative pronoun in a sentence. If we want to demonstrate anything in our real life, we would have to use this, not it. After this, we would not use this again in the sentence. After this, we would have to use it at the place of this, because it is working as a pronoun of this. Apart from this, it can work as an introducer in a sentence. It cannot become subject in the sentence. It can never become a subject in a sentence. It can work as an introducer in a sentence. We have often seen that in some cases, in certificates and results, it seems to be written that it is to certify and this is to certify. What is correct? Is the first sentence is correct or the last one is correct? So guys, here we want to inform you, if I write it is to certify, this sentence would be wrong, because we cannot say it is to certify, because we have not used this in the sentence. If we have used this, we can replace it with it. It means we can replace this by the use of it in the next sentence. But if we have not already used it in the sentence, we wouldn't require to replace it with this. So we can say that in case of it or in case of this, if we have started our sentence with this, it means next at the place of this we can use its pronoun as it in the sentence. So it means it works as an introducer in a sentence. It cannot become a subject in the sentence. It can work as an introducer in the sentence. We have already seen students saying, today is my birthday, today is Sunday. This sentence is wrong. Can we say today is my birthday or today is Sunday or Monday? No. This sentence would be wrong, because here our basic intention is not to show Sunday or Monday. Our basic intention is not to introduce Sunday or Monday to any person. Here our intention is to introduce my birthday or Sunday to a person. So here we are not introducing day, today or the day, but we are going to introduce Sunday or my birthday. This is the fact. If I say today is my birthday, here we are not going to introduce today to any person. but we are going to introduce birthday to other person. So we cannot say today is my birthday. So guys, in such cases we can say it is my birthday today. It is my birthday today, because here we want to introduce the word birthday, not today. So we can say that it is today my birthday. It is Sunday today. It is Sunday today, because here we want to justify Sunday on birthday, not today. So we can say that it is Sunday. It is Sunday today. So this sentence would be right. It is my birthday today. In such sequence we can write a sentence in English grammar, but we can never say that it is today is my birthday or today is Sunday. This pattern of writing English would be entirely wrong. So now we want to justify the use of it in English grammar. It can work at the place of demonstrative pronoun this. If I say in some examples, it is cold today. It is cold today. It is the month of June. It is Monday today. It is 5 o'clock. It is very hot day yesterday. It was very hot day yesterday. It is raining. Here we are going to introduce only those words to the use of it, because it is working as an introducer in all of these sentences. It cannot work as a subject in the sentence. Apart from this, if we start a sentence with demonstrative pronoun this, for example, if I say this is our home, this is our home, we bought this last week. Is this sentence correct? No, this sentence is not correct, because we have repeated the use of this in the sentence. We have used this more than one in the sentence. Can we use this in the sentence more than one? No. We cannot repeat this in the sentence. We only write this at the very beginning of the sentence, and after this, where we need to introduce this, we would need it at the place of this, because here we want to put the pronoun. So we cannot repeat the use of this in the sentence. So we can say that this is our home, we bought it last week. We cannot say we bought this last week, because here we are going to introduce the home. So we cannot repeat this more than one. So after it, if we add any other sentence in this sentence, if I say this is very expensive, we cannot say this is very expensive. We can say it is very expensive. So the right pattern of the sentence is this is our home, we bought it last week, it is very expensive. So if next we are going to add more than one sentences or anything else, we can use only it in the sentence. We cannot repeat the use of it once again in the sentence. So it cannot work as a demonstrative adjective, demonstrative pronoun in the sentence. The next rule is it cannot work as a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun in the sentence, while this can work as a demonstrative pronoun in the sentence. So this is the basic difference between it and this in the sentence. We cannot say it is my book at the very starting of the sentence. We cannot say it is my book, this is my book. If after this sentence we want to add something else, we can use it at the place of this, because it is working as a pronoun in the sentence. But it cannot work as a subject in the sentence. We cannot say it book is mine. We can say this book is mine. We cannot say it book is mine, because it cannot work as a possessive adjective in the sentence. But this can work as a possessive adjective in the sentence. This is the next difference between it and this in the English grammar. So, if we are going to use it or this in the sentence, so we must be cautious about the use of it and this in the sentence, because it cannot work as a possessive adjective in the sentence, while this can work as a possessive adjective in the sentence. If I say this book is mine, we cannot say it book is mine, because here it cannot work as a possessive adjective in the sentence, but this can work as a possessive adjective in the sentence. So we can say that this book is mine. We cannot say it book is mine, because it works as a introducer in the sentence. If I say don't eat this apple, don't eat this apple, this is rotten. Is this sentence right? No, this sentence is wrong. Why is this sentence wrong? Because we have repeated the use of the use of this more than one time. So we cannot use this more than one time in the sentence. If we want to use this more than one time in the sentence, we would have to apply it at the place of this in the sentence. So our sentence would be right, and the right pattern would be this: don't eat this apple, it is rotten. We cannot say this is rotten, it is rotten, because it here is working as a pronoun, in the sentence. Apart from this, it can be used in case of referring to time, month, holiday, weather, etc. Apart from this, it can work as an introducer in the sentence. Let's see some examples where it works as an introducer in the sentence. So let us see. If I say, it was me who saved your life. It was me who saved your life. Is this right sentence? No, this is wrong. Because after it, we would have to use subjective case of pronoun in the sentence. And we have used not a subjective pronoun but an objective pronoun in the sentence. It cannot work as an introducer in the sentence. So next we would have to use subjective case of pronoun in the sentence. If I say it is me, is this right? No, this is wrong. Because here it is working as an introducer in the sentence, so we should take subjective case of pronoun, not an objective case of pronoun in the sentence. So we can say that it was I. We cannot say that it was me. It was I who saved your life. And who is working as a relative pronoun here, because it is relating with I. It is relating with I. So we can say that in case of it and this, if we are going to use in the sentence it, or if we are going to use it in the sentence, we must be cautious that it can work as an introducer in the sentence. It cannot work as a possessive adjective in the sentence, but this can work as a possessive adjective in the sentence. This can work as a pronoun in the sentence, demonstrative pronoun in the sentence, but it cannot work as a demonstrative pronoun in the sentence until this would have worked at the very beginning of the sentence. I repeat, this it cannot work as it cannot works as a demonstrative pronoun in the sentence until this would have worked in the sentence at the very beginning. So in other words, we can say that if a sentence is supposed to be started with this, after this we can use it in the sentence at the place of this, but we can never start a sentence with it. If we want to start a sentence with it, then it must be reminded that it is not working as a subject in the sentence, because it cannot work as a subject in the sentence. It can work as an introducer in the sentence. Let us see some other examples. If I say it is him who has bought you home, is this sentence right? No, this sentence is wrong. Why? Because here we have used objective case of pronoun in the sentence, and we would require only subjective case of pronoun in the sentence. So if we use subjective case of pronoun in the sentence, our sentence would be right. So the right pattern is it is he. It is he who has bought your home. Next example. Was it her who did it for you? Was it her who did it for you? This sentence is right because we have used a subjective case of pronoun here. If I say, I thought it was he. I thought it was he. Is the sentence right? I thought it was he. I thought it was he. Is this sentence right? No, the sentence is wrong. I thought. Here, I is working as a subject in the sentence. I is working as a subject in the sentence. And next, we cannot say that it was he. Because here we need an objective case of pronoun. So, we cannot use here he. We can use him. Because him can work as an objective case of pronoun in the sentence. So, we can say that I thought it was him. We cannot say that it was he. So guys, nothing is escaping here to tell you more in this chapter. So guys, here we would like to end the class now. We would meet in our next class. Thank you.